Remember, we define this arrow, and anything wey dey close to arrow, comot am. Divide both sides by 396. Divide both sides by 396. Hello my people, and welcome to my channel. For this particular video, I want to show you how you will confidently solve this WAEC 2025 mathematics examination objective question number 1. Now, if you fit solve this one, you no go get issue again. Make I show you. I need to like waste time for my own class. I'm going to show you how you go take down for exam. The question say the volume of a cone. Volume, make we use V represent volume of waiting a cone. No be cylinder, now they talk. The volume of a cone of height. They don't mention another thing, height. Volume. Height, they say na 18 centimeter. Write them down. Is, so the volume now come with this one. Read the question and understand now. The volume of a cone of height 18 centimeter is, as the volume is equal to 8,316 centimeter cube. How you go take note say this one be the volume? It's simple. Volume, if you measure volume for centimeter cube, if you measure volume for meter cube, if it be centimeter cube, if it be liter cube, if it be milliliter cube. You understand what I tell you? Volume, you're going to see cube join for the unit, whether not centimeter cube or meter cube. You understand what I try to tell you? It could be liter cube, it could be milliliter cube. You're going to say that one a volume. Height, if it be meters, height fit be centimeters, height fit be liter, height fit be milliliter. Cube no dey for this one. You don't understand how I take get the values. If this one confusing, as you go take get them. Find the base radius. So now arrow, they say make you find and be the base radius of the cone. They can't say make you take pi. They even say you take pi to be 22/7. What you come on, make them give you again now. They don't give you everything where you're supposed to pass. Now if you struggle for WAEC questions, or you want a question or WAEC next year, look at this video, please save this video, like them, share, subscribe, so that you can see more of this video. Then, if you know say na JAMB to one right, this topic they also come under. You need to pay attention to this particular video. Notice now because of our WAEC people who are right for WAEC. Okay, make me finish up. Now, if you know sabi formula where then they carry formula, in fact, the formula we going to need to know now two. You need to know formula for volume of a cone. First one. You need also know the volume of a cylinder. Those two formulas, if you know sabi and forget, you know if you solve this one. Make I show you. Now, if you don't bring this, see the option. Option A, 21 centimeter, B, 14 centimeter, C, 28 centimeter, D, 42. The question is very, very simple. I'll show you how I think. Why I say it's very simple. Volume of a cone. I'll write that out. Volume of a cone. Go check them everywhere. Everywhere. This is what I want to tell you now. True. Equal to 1/3 or 1/3 of or times volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. Remember I say everything. Volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 times volume of a cylinder. That means if you know sabi the formula for volume of a cylinder, you don't enter one chance. If you know sabi the formula for volume of a cone, why I don't give you like this, you don't get another problem. So make I show you how you want to take do them. Now, make we ask ourselves one question. What will be the formula for volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder get formula as very, very simple and very interested formula. You go like say pi radius squared h, height. You go use pi multiplied by arrow squared, will be radius multiplied by height. That be the volume, the formula for volume of a cylinder. You don't see I'm so. Now, if I be you, if you don't sabi this one like this, what you will do? You can say V, I will use V represent volume of a cone equal to, you can be 1/3 times, what will be the formula of volume of a cylinder? What I tell her now. Talk now. What will be the formula of volume of a cylinder? What I just talk now. Correct. Pi radius squared times height. Good. Can I come here? Pi radius squared times height. This is a math, they're very simple. Why you go one for WAEC? Now A you go get to. So make it continue. Now you know if I use 1/3 times pi radius square height, you gonna say this thing are the same thing as saying V equal to 1 times pi times arrow squared h. You know, say all this one are numerator now. 3 day down, 1 day up, all this one day up. So 1 times everything there, and the same thing as pi radius squared height divided by 3. Or if you still write them by the side as, I will show you different way if you write them, or if you still write them as 1 over 3 pi radius squared height. You like them like this, or you like them like this, at the same thing. You like them like this, at the same thing. I'm going to show you different fashion. If you keep them, no problems. Now, what you want to do now? Since we define the base radius inside this formula, we see will be the same thing as this one. Will be the same thing as this one. What we define now? This radius we there. If you define radius, what you can do? Carry this volume, come put for here. I see volume. Pi, carry the value, put for here. Arrow, now you define. H, carry this value, put. Make it down quick. So here V now 8,000. I didn't like column like this, 8,116 or 8,316. I didn't like call that one. Just call them 8316. Okay, equal to, now me this for view 1 over 3. My right hand out. 1 over 3 times pi, they say now 22 over 7. See I'm here. Times arrow squared, no get problem with anybody. Remember that arrow we define, but now arrow squared there, don't worry, I will show you what you will do. Times height, 9 be 18. No, you see, say I no convert centimeter to meter. Why? Because as volume come as centimeter cube, height come as centimeter given like that. No bother to convert. And what you can do now? It's simple. This one, 1 times 22 will give you 22 times 18. We will check them out. The denominator, which you get now 3 and 7, 3 times 7 are 21. See what you can do. Write this one first. 8316 equal to, then ask yourself, waiting be 1 times 21. My carry calculator come out so that you go do them. Ask yourself, 1 times 22, that's still 22. 22 times 18 will give us 300 and something. Maybe confirm them. 396. Let me the value. 396. That be this 22 times 18. What of arrow squared? Carry arrow squared, lap them like this. Because you go multiply arrow squared to divided by 3 times 7 at 21. So what will be the next thing? You're going to say, since you define arrow square, I want to come out this 21 way there. How I want to come out 21? It's very simple. I just say multiply this side by 21, multiply this side too by 21. So like this now, 21 and 21 don't cancel, come out. So what will be 21 times 8316? Carry a calculator, they follow me do this, you know. I use calculator because they go allow I use calculator for WAEC. Now make I use calculator, make it fast. 174,636. Check whether now what you get. At 12 us they solve this thing, so they're active. 174,636. Now what I get for this calculator equal to here 396 arrow squared. Remember we define this arrow, and anything where they close to arrow, come out them. Divide both sides by 396. Divide both sides by 396. If by now you never like this video, just pause and like. If you never drop comment, drop, go on, carry on. That subscribe button, just hit that subscribe and turn on that bell icon. That will be like bell. So anytime I upload new video, you will receive notification. And so you will take this in my page. I don't finish my own. So you see, say 396 and 396 don't cancel, come out. What till we get remain here now? Arrow squared equal to, divide this one. 174,636 divided by 396. What you give me for here? Now 441. People will rush the check, they never see the answer. Relax. 441. Remember, say we define arrow, no be arrow squared. How I want to remove this square? You could take the square root of both sides. Apply square root to both sides of the equation like this. So that square root and square will cancel, come out. What you go remain at this arrow? Arrow will be equal to, what will be the square root of 441? Just apply square root of 441. Square root of 441. Which I get here now 21. 21. I will leave it like that. Remember, say the unit where we see here. Normally radius, if you measure radius, the unit for radius now meters. But as everything come as centimeters, you don't go come carry meters, go put there. You can put centimeters as the unit. So which option Now be the best option because we get here 21 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 28, 42. This is an option A. You enjoy this video. If you don't say enjoy this video well, hit the like button. If you never do them, if you don't like, I'm no worry. But the last thing we will do now, after I don't drop comment, say you understand and make I do more, put them for comment section, make I know your mind. Then don't forget to share that share button. Click and post them for your group chat, post them for your classmate group chat, share them for our page so that everybody can learn this particular thing. And my message will come give an video too. My name is Instructor Alison. I'm going to teach math and science for Pidgin English. So that you will there for village, the school, you know go fail again. If na town way there, no while get luck already, you know go fail again. Now make at the use Pidgin, really make you understand everything what I do here. Share this video and like them. And next time I will see you for another one. Peace and love.